In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a customer to the CRM in GoodDay. We'll walk through the process from the moment you open GoodDay all the way to saving a new customer record so you can keep your client information organized and easy to access. Once you're logged into your GoodDay account and you're on your main workspace or My Tasks view, start by looking to the left side of your screen. You'll see an icon made up of 9 small dots, usually referred to as the More icon or App Launcher. This opens up additional modules and tools inside GoodDay that aren't immediately visible in your main view. Go ahead and click on that 9-dot icon to expand the menu. When the menu opens, you'll see a list of different sections and apps available in GoodDay. From this list, look for the option labeled CRM, which stands for Customer Relationship Management. This is where all your customer and contact data will be stored and managed. Click on CRM to open the CRM workspace. Inside the CRM module, you'll see various options, which can include leads, opportunities, and customers, depending on how your workspace is set up. For this tutorial, we're focusing on adding a customer. Find and click on the section labeled Customer or Customers. This will take you to the area where existing customers are listed and where you can create a new one. Now, you're ready to add a new customer. Look for a button that lets you create or add a customer, often labeled New Add or similar. Once you click it, a form will appear where you can fill in the customer's details. Enter the key information you have, such as the customer's name, company, contact details, and any other relevant fields that appear. Try to be as complete and accurate as possible, since this information will be used later by you and your team. As you fill in the details, follow the on-screen prompts that GoodDay provides. These prompts may guide you through required fields, suggest additional information, or highlight missing data before you can save the customer. If the system indicates that a field is mandatory, make sure to complete it so there are no errors when saving. Once all the necessary information is filled out and you've followed the prompts, confirm or save the new customer. After saving, you should see the new customer appear in your customer list within the CRM, ready to be used in your future tasks, projects, and communications.